Hello folks. So in this video I would be explaining you, there is a issue with starting the server from WebLogic. For example, I will take you to the servers, I will take you to controls, and this is a issue regarding node manager. So let's say from here, right, I'm trying to start my WebLogic from WebLogic I'm trying to start my app, other managed server like SOA or Oracle Identity Manager, or it could be any managed server, right? So it started giving me an error. I would like to show you the error first. You see, let me just take it to the upside. Yeah. So you see, it's saying some bad certificate received from local host, like that. So what I did, I will tell you first. Step one, okay, I tried to understood, okay, there is some IP address related issues, right? So what I did, let me just go to the node manager. So how you can go to the node manager, you have to go to the machines, your machine, and here is a node manager, right? So what I did two changes over here, just lock and edit, and two changes. I just did type as a plain, and here, right, listening address. So this listening address, I from local host I change it to the whatever the IP address of my machine is. For example, let me open a duplicate tab. Okay, so here ifconfig. So you see, this is the IP address of my machine. So what I did, I just simply made this IP address. Port, I didn't did any changes. This is a default port. So two changes here I did. I made it a plain, okay, and from SSL, and I just made this IP address from the local host. It was available. I made it my server IP address. Then again, I just started my node manager. It didn't work. I taken a reboot, didn't work, right? Also, I hope you are aware of at least this thing. In order to start anything from your node manager, right, start script, script, this start script enable, make sure it's true. So it was also true for my case, means everything was perfect, means IP issue I resolved. Node manager start is by default false, I just made it true. That is called start script enable parameter, I made it true. Still it was not working, right? Means there definitely there was some issues. Means I just just gone through this IP changes. I will just show you if it is some. I will show you. Yeah, here you see. Then I changed IP. I just wrote step two, right? So step one, what I did, step one, I changed it to plain. I changed it to this. Also, I was making it sure my start script is enabled. Everything was as per like my understanding, the things were working fine. Okay. Now, still at the same IP, right? There is some again issue with the invalid SSL headers, right? Means again there is some issues, means related to some security issues are coming. You see invalid unknown SSL header received, right, from this IP in the handshake. So means definitely there is some issues. There is no issue from IP because whatever IP I'm changing, it doesn't care. It's issue from some certificate, right? So how I did the changes, I just change one more parameter over here. I will show you. That is called secure listener parameter to false, and by default this secure listener parameter, let me show you where it is. This, see, it is true. So what I did, I just made secure listener parameter false, and again I taken a restart. You can see after this I taken a restart, and this time you see it's working fine, and I'm able to start my WebLogic. I will show you once again. This is false, I will make it true. Okay, true. I will show you the exact error, right? Let me make it save. Let me go to servers, control, and I would like to stop my node manager. Okay, and I would first force shutdown. Okay, you see that. So I had shut it down. Okay, let me see the status of SOA. Okay, shut down. Let me reload. Okay, shut down. Now let me start, right? In order to start it, first I need my node manager to be up. And here you go. My node manager is up now. Okay, as you can see, node manager is up. Okay, now let me show you the parameters over here. You see secure listener. Okay, secure listener is true this time. And let me now again try start. That's it. It's failed. Let me show you the error. See, that's what the issue was coming, right? So I shown you the live. So what I did, I simply just reached to this location. This location you can see at the top. Okay, node manager dot properties, and simply I made it to false. Okay, and I hit save and closed. Simply press Ctrl C and take a restart of your node manager. Started, and yep, let me try. Go to SOA start. See, this time no issues. See, it's starting, right? You can see it's starting without any issues, right? You see status starting. So that time it was failing. It was failing, guys, due to these two parameters. Okay, secure listener make must not this, obviously this parameter is not the issue. This parameter you have to make sure start script enable is there, otherwise you should not start your node manager. And this is the main thing, this is the thing which was creating issue, secure listener. And here you see node manager, and here is the IP address, right? So what I did, I simply changed this IP address. If you want, for example, wait a second, I think it's starting. Okay, it's starting. Let me reload. Okay, it's starting. So one second, I will show you something else. It's starting, right? Let me force shut down. I do not want to start at this moment. Okay, I had shut it down. Perfect. What I will do, I will go to my Linux machine node manager, lock and edit. Rather than plain, default is SSL, and here is localhost. Localhost. I have saved the changes. Let me start my node manager again. Okay, started. Let's see if it works this time. So I will go to summary of servers, control, and let me try to start SOA. Yes. So you see, again I'm able to start, right? So this means, the major issue, right? Okay, let me activate, one second. Let me activate the changes. The changes were not activated. Okay, one second. Let me stop it. Okay, it's already shut down. Okay, it's failed. That's okay, no issues. Let me go to node manager, localhost and 556. Okay, now coming to summary of servers, controls, and this time I'm going to start. So again, let me start my node manager. Okay, started. Okay, let me hit start. Click yes, and you see it's sending the request. It's sending the request. So what we can conclude over here, let me open the Linux machine, right? So what we conclude over here, node manager, the issue is not even with the IP address. As you seen, right, even I changed the local host to my IP address. I thought maybe this is some IP issue, not a problem. I thought maybe this is due to SSL or something. That is also not a problem, right? The major problem was this parameter, okay, which was secure listener. So secure listener need to be false. So you can see, right, it's started also. You can see the SOA server is started, and I will just reload it to show you. Go to the machine, node manager. See, so with SSL and local host I am able to start it, right? So only that the the configuration, like which is important for us is this configuration secure listener, which need to be false, and obviously to start node manager this configuration is needed. So I hope this video was much more elaborative video, and would be the almost first video I think in the internet explaining this kind of issues, okay, in details. Also I will also create a blog today, means I will write down a blog today. You must check out idem learning. There is no topics today, but today I would be adding this also as a topic, how what is the error, how to fix it. So it will helpful for you as well. Okay guys, so I hope it make sense to you. Please fix the issues if you have this, and any issues write us at support@ktport.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.